So the next is 65. Ho Hari Ghoshaha. So till 64, like 61, 62, 63, 64, the common thing was at the first place we had the Vishnu Dasa, and then we had different variations, like whatever following ahead, and then different results. But it was Vishnu Dasa at the first place. So 65 also is the same pattern. If there is a Vishnu Dasa at the first place, and then there is her Ram, the her at the second place, then the her will optionally become Hari Ghosh. Hari Ghosh is the fourth letter. Hari Kamala, Hari Khadga, Hari Gada, and Hari Ghosh. Gajhada Dhabha. Now, Hari Ghosha of what? Because her does not belong to any of the Vargas. Shasha Saha. So Hari Ghosha, as per the previous Vishnu Dasa's Varga. For example, Vak Hare. Vak Hare. So Ka is a Vishnu Dasa and then Ha is following. So first of all, we'll apply 61 here. Ka will become Ga. Ka becomes Ga, Vishnu Dasa, Vishnu Padante, Hari Ghosha Hari Gada, because nothing is stopping it from becoming Ga. And then we apply this rule. So Ha becomes Hari Ghosha of the Varga of Ga Rama. So that is Ka Varga. So Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha. So it becomes Gha. So this is optional change. So once it happens, Vag Gharehe, and once it doesn't. Vag Harehe. Vag Gharehe, Vag Harehe. It's similar to Sakshat Dharitvena.
So, Prabhu, based on 61, it is Vag Hare. Based on 65, it is Vag Hare.
Yeah, because 61 is mandatory.
Yeah.
So we have to
So
apply
how to
that.
know how to know which ones are mandatory, which ones are optional? Just
It's mentioned in the rules only. It says optionally.
optionally. Okay.
Yeah, so the Sanskrit word va, the Sanskrit word va actually indicates the optionality. So in 65 Ho Hari Ghosha, that va is carried forward.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
but yeah, in the translation it is given direct, so we can see the translations.
Yes.
So optionally. So Vag Gharehe Vag Hare. Sakshat Dharitvena, the 8th verse of Gurvashtakam. So Sakshat ending with ta and Hari Tvena. So ta and ha. So Vishnu Dasa Vishnu Padante is applied. Ta becomes the. And then Haritvena ha optionally becomes dha. Tatha da dha. So Sakshat Dharitvena, that's what we see in that verse. Similarly, other examples are there. You can see them. Ho Hari Ghosha. This is also a common sandhi. Tad Hridayam.
जगत हिताय
Yeah,
ओम
Jagat
नमो
Hitaya.
ब्रह्मण्य देवाय जगत
Namo
हिताय
Brahmane Devaya Go Brahmane Hitaya. Jagat Hitaya, right. Jagat and Hitaya becomes Jagat Dhitaya. Yeah. Actually, the 7th chapter of this book, which is Tadhit Prakaranam, Tadhit, that's also done using this rule. So the words are Tat, T-A-T, Tat plus Hita. So becomes Tadhit, the and the. So this is also a very commonly used rule.
So one question. So Kakub Harasya, because it is already Bha is there. So in this case, Bha will become either Ba or Bha. So it should be Kakub Harasya or Kakub Harasya.
No.
But here
That optionality is for her Rama, changing into Hari Ghosha, the second letter. The first letter has to change into the third letter.
Got it. That is compulsory.
Yeah, that is
Second
compulsory.
one, it is optional.
Second one is optional.
Got it. Okay. Got it. Understood.
Then 66, Datau Paravarnau Lachata Vargishu Nityam. This is also interesting. If there is either the or ta Rama at the first place, when we say the or ta Rama or her Rama, we are just talking of the pure Vyanjana, the pure consonant Vishnujana, without any vowel. This a is only given for the pronunciation sake. We're just talking of the Shuddha Vishnu Jana. So if there is the or the at the first place, followed by la Rama or any of the letters from Cha Varga or any of the letters from Ta Varga. So if we have such equation, the ta at the first place and la Rama, Cha Varga and Ta Varga letters at the second place, then the change is the or ta will become the same as the following letter. The or ta will become the same as the following letter. Example,
Shraddhaval Vajite Yama.
no, that is different. Like Tad Lakshmi Patehe. Tad Lakshmi Patehe. The followed by la. So the becomes the same as the following letter. So the becomes la. So we get Tal Lakshmi Patehe. Tat Chaturbhujasya. So ta becomes cha. Tach Chaturbhujasya. Kansajit Chadayati. Okay, this example. Now Kansajit, ta is followed by cha. So ta becomes cha. So we get Kansajit Chadayati. Now we will apply another sandhi here.
So Yasya Yal Lakshanam, that words, that also is same.
Yeah, Yat Lakshanam.
Yasya Yal Lakshanam Proktam, that one.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yat Lakshanam becomes Yal Lakshanam, this rule.
Yal Lakshanam. Okay.
So Kansajit Chadayati, if you see here, then we apply Yadav Matre Harikamalam here after this. Because the first cha is considered Vishnu Dasa, which it is. And then the following cha is a Yadava. So the first Vishnu Dasa becomes Harikamala. So we get Kansajit Chadayati. So it's not only that we have to just apply one rule and that's all. No, we can go on applying the rules as far as they are applicable. You know, like step 1, step 2, step 3. It can also be a stepwise sandhi. So similarly, Tat Janardanasya, Taj Janardanasya. So in this way, the sutra is there. Tatau Paravarno Lachata Vargeshu Nityam. Then Tascha She. If there is Ta Rama at the first place, followed by Sha Rama at the second place, so Ta becomes Cha. Ta becomes Cha. Example, Tat Shaurehe. So now first of all, can 61 be applied here? Tat Shaurehe. Can we apply 61 here? In Tat Shaurehe. Vishnu Daso Vishnu Padante Hari Ghoshe Cha Hari Gada. Because ta is a Vishnu Dasa, so can this Vishnu Dasa become the third letter, Harigada?
It's not Vishnu Pada, right?
No, it's Vishnu Pada.
Oh, okay.
Ta is a Vishnu Dasa. So shall we apply 61 here or not? If yes, then say yes. If no, then give reason. Will 61 be applied here in Tat Shaure? It's very simple. Just see the equation. What's there in the first place, second place.
Sorry, that Varga is only not there. Sha is not a.
Hari
Sha is what?
Gotrani. Hari Gotrani. Hari Gotra.
Okay, so then, I mean, is Harigotra stopping something? Block, I mean, will 61 be applied here or not? Tat Shaure.
So it can be no Tad Shaure. No. Tad
And if I
Shaure.
say no, then find the reason.
Let me see.
If I say no, then find the reason why we can't apply 61.
There's an exception.
So which rule? By which rule?
Cancel that.
63 Yadav. Hari Kamal. Bro, because it's Hari Kamala, that's why.
What is Harikamla?
Sure. No, sorry. No, that is for the last line, it's not there. No, I was just looking if there's an exception. No, sorry.
What does 63 rule mean? Read
So
the
exception to
translation.
the 61 rule when there is Vishnu Das plus
Vishnu Das
Yadava
plus.
Matre, Yadava Matre,
Yadav
Hari
Matre, Hari
Kamalam.
So what does that mean? Vishnu Das plus?
Hari Kamalam.
No.
Vishnu Das becomes Hari Kamala when Yadava, any Yadava follows.
Yadava is
Any
there.
others are following.
Oh
So
yeah. So Vishnu Das plus Yadava equal to VD becomes remains Hari Kamala. Sorry, correct. So this will remain Hari Kamala only. There is an exception to the above rule. 61.
hmm. So because of
Because this is a
63, okay, just one second.
yeah, correct. Yeah, now I understood. Krishna.
Sorry, Hare Krishna.
Yeah, Prabhu, I got it now. So, Prabhu, this because there is a Hari Kamalam, we cannot change that. That's
No,
an
no,
exception to the rule.
not Hari Kamalam, Yadav.
Sorry, not Yadava. Sorry, because it is Yadava, and there is a Hari Kamalam here. We cannot. It becomes an exception to the 61st rule. So then, in that case, we
Yeah, so
cannot
that's
change.
why the
Suvak,
remains the.
the remains the. That's correct. The remains the.
So 61 is not applied. By 63, the remains the. So
Yes.
then
Yes.
67 is applied. So the
Yeah.
becomes ch in this rule.
Correct.
So we
Yeah.
get touch shaure. This is an optional rule. Okay, no, this is not optional. This is mandatory rule. It doesn't say optional. So touch shaure hai. This was premium account. Anyhow, we'll see. So touch shaure hai, and then tata shashchova is applied after that. Tata shashchova. So touch chaure hai or touch shaure hai. Generally now they apply both the rules. Tashtashe and tata shashchova. Like tasmat shastram pramanam te. Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, last verse. So that is Tasmat Shastram becomes Tasmat Shastram. And likewise, so I see these two rules applied, like always they are applied nowadays.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Tach Shaure hai or Tach Shaure hai. Okay. Then no antash Chachayo Sharama, Tatayo Sharama, Tatayo Sarama, Vishnu Chakra Purva, Vishnu Chapa Purva. We'll neglect Vishnu Chapa, we'll just consider Vishnu Chakra. So there are three parts of this rule. If at the first place we have na, and the second place we have either cha or cha, then na will become the Vishnu Chakra and Sharama together, like this. Like na, Bhagwan Chalati, na and cha. So na will become the Vishnu Chakra plus sha, like this. So Bhagwan Chalati becomes Bhagwan Chalati. Similarly, when cha is there, same change. Then if we have ta or tha following after na, na will become Vishnu Chakra plus sha. This is the second sh, another one. So Bhagavan Tikate becomes Bhagavan Tikate. And same with Tha. The third is if we have Ta or Tha following, Na becomes Vishnu Chakra plus Sa, the Dantya dental Sa. So Bhagavan Tarati becomes Bhagavan Tarati. It's similar to Dhyayan Stuvang Stasya. Yashastri Sandhyam Vande Guru. So Dhyayan, and the next word is Stuvan Tasya. Stuvan plus Tasya. So Stuvan, the na becomes this. So Stuvang Tasya. This rule. And Vande Ham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Kamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavangscha. That Vaishnavangscha. So the words are Vaishnavan plus cha. So na followed by cha. So this change is taking place. It becomes Vaishnavangscha by this rule. So this is the rule. Lel Rama eva. If na is followed by la, na becomes la. Like Shraddhavan labhate becomes Shraddhaval labhate jnanam. Tatpara sanyatendriya. So na followed by la, so na becomes la. And it says that la is also accompanied with the Chandrabindu, the Vishnu Chapa. There is also the Vishnu Chapa there. So if you see Bhagavad Gita, that verse, Shraddhavan labhate jnanam, you will see la, L, with the Vishnu Chapa. So then, yeah, the Vishnu Chapa is there. Bhagavan Leelayate. Okay. Then Jajhanya Sharameshu Naramaha. Jajhanya Sharameshu Naramaha. If there is na at the first place, followed by ja, nya, or sharama, then na rama becomes nya rama. Na becomes nya. The change is na becomes nya. Examples are given here. Bhagwan Jayati, na and ja, so na becomes nya. Bhagwan Jasharupi, na becomes nya, and so on. Now, the last example here is Bhagwan Shuraha, so na becomes nya. So, the last example, na plus sha, there is some extension to that. She Chantova. If there is na followed by sha, like in Bhagwan Shuraha, so one change was na became just nya. Now, second variation is, or yeah, na will become nya, and there will also be cha. This means it optionally becomes nya and cha together. So once we get Bhagwang Shuraha, once we get Bhagwang Shuraha, Bhagwang Shuraha, like this. She Chantova. She Chantova is simply continuation of the previous rule, which simply says if Sha is following, so we'll add Cha with Nya when Sha is following. So we get Bhagwang Shuraha and Bhagwang Shuraha from the previous rule. Now when it is Bhagwang Shuraha, then we apply Tashtashe and Tatha Shashtova. Anyhow, Tashtashe is already there. It is already Cha. So we apply Tatha Shashtova. So the third optional rule or form is Bhagwang Churaha. So we get these three forms. Bhagwang Shuraha, Bhagwang Shuraha, Bhagwang Churaha. And all are right. They all are correct. We can choose anyone if we are composing something. The last sutra of this section, Vishnu Jana Sandhi, will give the fourth form from this Bhagwang Chura. So wait, there is another fourth form which will be done by the last sutra. Vishnu Janad Vishnu Dasasya Darshanam Savarge Vishnu Dase. Okay, Mo Vishnu Chakram Vishnu Jane. If there is Ma Rama at the first place, followed by any Vishnu Jana at the second place, it's a very simple rule. Ma becomes Vishnu Chakra. Krishnam Smarati, Ma followed by Vishnu Chakra, sorry, Vishnu Jana, Ma becomes Vishnu Chakra, so Krishnam Smarati. And like that, very simple rule. Whenever you see a Vishnu Chakra anywhere, consider it to be Ma. Originally, it is Ma only. And by Sandhi, it becomes the Vishnu Chakra. Yeah, mostly. If there is a Sarveshwara following, then it remains the same. Like Krishnam
So that-
Ichha.
So that Ayadinam Vayorva is same example, no? Ayadinam Vayorva.
Ayadinam Ya Vayorva.
Ya Vayor. So Ya is a
Vishnu Jana.
So
that's why the Ma becomes Anuswar Vishnu Chakra. Then the next is continuation of this rule 72. Vishnu Chakra se Hari Venu or Vishnu Varge Vishnu Padanta se Tuva. Basically, it has two parts. If there is a word, or let's say, if at the first place we have Vishnu Chakra, and in the second place we have any of the Vishnu Varga letters following. Vishnu Varga letters mean any of those 25 letters. So if we have Vishnu Chakra plus any of those Vishnu Varga letters, then there is a change. The Vishnu Chakra will become the Hari Venu. Optionally, the Vishnu Chakra will optionally become Hari Venu as per the following letters Varga. Example, Krishnam Kirtayati. First of all, we have Ma followed by Vishnu Jana. So by previous rule, Ma becomes Vishnu Chakra. Right? Vishnu Chakram, Ma Vishnu Chakram, Vishnu Jana. And then by this current rule, this Vishnu Chakra will become the Hari Venu as per the following letters Varga. So Ka belongs to Ka Varga, and the Hari Venu of Ka Varga is Ka Kha Ga Gha Nga. So the Vishnu Chakra will optionally become this Krishna Kirtayati. Okay, actually I had a premium version. I don't know how it ended. I'll just check the subscription. It's gonna end. So if you want to study more, I can, or if you want to just stop, just let me know. Stop.
We stop here, Prabhu.
Yeah,
We
I think
Okay, we can
need to
stop it.
digest.
So we can stop here. We'll resume from here next week.
yeah.
Okay, so
Tomorrow is there.
yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, sorry, tomorrow is there. We're studying. Actually, I was going in a speed. I thought it's one session per week. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, Hare
Yeah.
Krishna.
Maybe daily 10 sutras, we would be able to digest nicely.
Oh,
Maybe
today then also didn't happen.